Oh God, I'm naked. I'm naked. I got no background. Turn on the background. There we go. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's, what is it? Wednesday. The market getting crushed this morning with the CPI numbers coming out. So should be a fun day. Right now, the market down below 4,000 on the MES. It's getting hot. It's getting hot. And we're getting ready to make some money. If you guys are just now tuning in, let's go. Hit that like button. You know what to do. There's only one way to go, and that's up. We're going up, baby. Put your money where your mouth is. Put your money where your mouth is. All right. We got about 5 minutes here till the market opens, so just getting it started. Getting it started here, buddies. Buddies. You can see right now the futures down below 4,000 on the MES. 39990. Watching right now, big old candle to the downside here this morning, 15-minute candle. This is the 1 minute chart we're looking at right now, but looking at futures right here on the IronBeam app. So the market almost like a little gap down this morning, opening up. Let's see what happens. We got some support. If you look at the SPY, we got some support coming up here. I would say like 397, 396, 395 area on the SPY support wise. We'll see how that ends up here. Netflix, the 172 Huey wants. Why you want that for, Huey? Why you want that for? Let's go. Man, cryptocurrency is getting murdered right now. There's so many cryptocurrencies that are just getting absolutely murdered. I mean, absolutely murdered, my friends. It's like the question is it time to buy? Or is it time to sell? The $1 million question. You know, it's the $1 million question. I got a lot of answers, but sometimes I don't have all the answers. Sometimes I don't have all the answers, just some of the answers. Got about 3 minutes here till the market opens. Watching the SPY here this morning. Today, for me, you know, I'm going to tell you guys, this is my plan. I thought about this last night. You know, when I was getting my kind of day finished up, sitting on the back porch watching the sunset. I'm like, Patrick, no more bullshit. It's just time. Let's just start making freaking money, you know? Let's just get it done. So that's the plan today. We're going to just get it done. Need to trust the process, short where I need to short, get long where I need to get long, ride the waves, let the trade work out, let it do its thing, you know? We're going to do it. We're going to do it together. Me and you guys. We got 2 minutes here till the market opens. Who's ready? Holy crap. Good morning. If you haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Let's hit it. Let's blow it up. Let's get this thing popping. We're going to the moon, baby. We're just going. There you go. South Florida Waterman, speaking truth, my friends. Speaking truth right there. The poll was wrong yesterday. Here we go. Here we go. Market is getting closer and closer to opening. Are you guys excited as I am? Hear the roosters? The roosters are crowing. The roosters are crowing. Here we go. We got the music on. It's about to go. Market about to open here. Just smooth jams. Smooth jams. Hey, Brandon tuning in and he's not even trading. He just wants to see the action. See the train wreck. I don't know if he wants to see the action or if he wants to see the train wreck. We're going to find out here. We will find out here in a moment. Right now the market trying to push up here to the 9999s. 3,999. Pushing up here. I'm going to look for a short opportunity if we break below the 980s here on the MES. If we break, you know. That's my plan. The SPY 398s right now on the SPY. Watching this move here. It's 1 minute. 1 minute candle, nice and slow. Funny, the SPY really pushing up here, but I can't tell if the MES is just stuck or if it's frozen or what. There it goes, popping now. You can see the SPY trying to push up with vengeance here to the 4,000s now. Up to the 400, I mean. I feel like my platform's kind of lagging right now, or my computer's lagging or something, because this thing is not moving the way it should be moving. Let me see if I can restart this real quick. Something's going on here. It's all over the place, jumping around here right now. I don't know if it's just the market or if my computer's lagging. Anybody else looking at futures right now, seeing what I'm seeing? Anybody? So the market trying to push up to the 400s now. On the SPY, trying to reset my broker here. Also trying to buy an NFT as well. It might not be the best time to be buying an NFT, Patrick. Multitasking, my friends. We're multitasking. Matt says buy the 430s. Let's go. Now I can't even get back into the broker now. It's just on the spinning wheel of death. Awesome. What is going on with my internet right now? Sorry, guys. This is not supposed to happen. Okay, now we're almost loading back in. Why is my internet so slow sometimes? The best is the other day, Comcast, or yeah, Spectrum. They show up to my house, like a worker shows up to my house. He's like, hey, we've noticed on the network that you've been having some issues. And I'm like, oh yeah, cool. You here to fix it? He's like, no, I'm just here to inform you. I'm like, what? You're not gonna fix it? Why are you even here? They just literally came just to tell me that I was having issues. Like, I know that. All right, so I'm short right now on the MES. See if we get a move down here. Looking like we're gonna get a move down. Get a quick $100. I think we can get down to the 970s or lower here. Over $140 right now. Looking for some big moves today, baby. Big moves, big moves. Right now, the SPY just washing through. This is still not trading right. My internet, I don't. Look how slow this is not working. Something's not right. I don't like this. I'm kind of worried about this actually. See my yeah, I mean I don't understand what it's doing, to be honest. Should be moving a lot smoother. Looking for a break below the 970s. I'm currently short from the 81s. So we're up about I want to look for a little bounce back here. I honestly don't know what's going on. This is like unusable right now. Just keeps freezing. It's kind of scary, to be honest. See, yeah. The SPY is moving down, and the MES is moving up right now. Something is not right. So there we go. We're up $230 right now, $250. I'm gonna take a little bit of profit here at the 68s, locking that in. So we still got 3 contracts left. We'll see if we can break below the 65s now. Let's go. Let's go. Below 65 here on the MES would be nice. I'm taking a little bit more profit there at the 69s. See if I can get filled. There we go. I want this thing to reverse. I literally don't know what's going on with this platform right now, guys. I'm gonna jig out. I'm gonna go flat here, I think. I can't, it's just not trading. Like, it's not working right. It's just like jumping around. I'm pretty sure it's not my internet either. I can't trade when I don't have the actual info, when the chart's not showing me what's going on. I mean, the market's barely moving, but it's moving more than my platform is right now, to be honest. Oh, I saw Coinbase getting crushed, huh? Yeah, there's something going on right now with the futures. That sucks. I was up $236, but at least I took the profit there. So locking in $236 so far this morning. Starting to look a little bit better now. James Bond, what? You're telling me that my broker is lagging because it doesn't want me to make money? You're telling me that it's rigged? James, you're telling me that the market's rigged? It's still not right. My futures and the SPY, I'm getting totally different moves. Something's still not right. I mean, the market is literally boosting right now and the MES is not moving. Look at the SPY up to 399. Look at this thing go. I can't trade right now. I literally can't make a trade because I can't get the freaking... The platform is not working. Market trying to push back up here, 399.50 on the SPY so far. The pullback, the pushback up. We locked in $236 so far. Let's see what we get going here. Just kind of watching to see if we get denied again at the 4,000 on the MES. You can see earlier getting denied at the 4,000 area. So if we get denied there again, we should expect a pullback and then break below the low. Yeah, James Bond, just trade for me today. Place a trade. Make a trade. Like a trade. See, like, it's just like you can see like the order book sometimes it's like freezing. Like, I don't know. It's kind of frustrating right now. I've honestly never had really any issues, and then now today getting a little tricky. See, like, it's just not, there's something is not right. So the SPY right now pushing up, the MES not moving. So there, look, it just popped. Okay, I'm not making any trades until I figure out what is going on with this, because it's too dangerous. Gonna get like a terrible fill. I already restarted it earlier. I mean, how many times do we have to restart it? And other people said they had the same issue. The SPY pushing up now to the almost 401 area. Boosting, baby. The next resistance is going to be up here, 403 area. Big move back up here on the MES on the 15-minute chart right now. Watching to see if we push up to that resistance and then get the pullback here on the SPY. I'd like to see a pullback here. We got the VWAP down at the 398 area on the SPY right now. If you're just now tuning in, welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's go. Hit that like button, people. We're getting live. We're making the money. We're doing the live. The live streaming. Right now, the MES here at the 4,009, at the nines. We'll see if the SPY is going to break to the upside here. Push above 401 on the SPY. No trade. Right now, we are closed. We locked in a short earlier at open. Locked in $236. Let's see what happens now. Just giving it some time. Letting this set up. Watching all the different time frames. Looking for opportunity. What time do I go to sleep to wake up at 3:30 a.m. in Hawaii? I normally go to sleep around like 8 or 9. Not too crazy. The SPY pushing above 401 now, getting more and more overextended here to the upside. My platform's still lagging right now. Not liking this. I can't tell. I'm watching the SPY. I'm trying to figure out, is the market just like... See, even the SPY right now is being really weird. Like the SPY, look at it. Look at this, the way the SPY is moving right now. Is that everybody else seeing the same thing, or is it just my internet? I can't tell. Up to the 402 now. 402 pushing through on the SPY. That resistance coming up at the 403s. Look at it. Really weird. Look at this thing. Up to the 403s now. Just like literally jumping. Like $1 at a time. Got that resistance coming up here on the SPY at the 403 area here. Should be hitting some resistance here pretty soon. Waiting for a setup on the MES right now. No point in just jumping in just because we're going up. Remember, we're looking for opportunities. We need an advantage, you know. We need to see an advantage. We need to tilt the scale into our favor. Not just jump in on anything that moves, people. Right now we got 42 likes, got 127 people watching. Let's break through that 100 like resistance, baby. Let's go. Right now the SPY still pushing up here. The SPY pulling back, MES going up. I don't know which chart is right, which chart is wrong. More likes, more likes. Why trade the ES over the NQ? I don't know. I think the ES is more consistent. I think it's just better follow through. The NQ sometimes can just be really, really choppy. Up to the 403 now on the SPY. Pushing up to that resistance there. We'll see if this is going to be the turn down. Will this be the turn down? Turn down for what? I'm kind of, I want to say I'm upset right now, but I'm not very happy that I can't. I don't know. I just don't feel very confident right now in the data that I'm getting. Not feeling it. It's hard to trade when you don't have the platform working the way you want it to work. I don't know about you guys. I want that data to come through, baby. See, like right now, I feel like I should be shorting, but look at the MES, like barely moving down here. Just stuck. It's not moving. Call the broker. Hey, Mr. Broker, what's the price right now? Yeah, literally my chart is just lagging across the board right now. James Bond said that anything is possible today. That's the most motivational thing he's ever posted before. I'm not on Wi-Fi. Come on, Charles. I got a Ethernet cable directly into my PC, baby. We got 1 gigabyte internet. Let's go. No Wi-Fi. I would never use Wi-Fi for trading. Come on. I'm bigger. I'm bigger than that. I'm smarter than that. This thing right now, like I don't like this. I don't think it's my internet though, because I see other people saying that they're also lagging. Do a internet speed test here. That's not very good. 16 megabits per second on the download. Why does it say my internet's fast? Is that fast? There she goes. Look at that. Oh my. Yeah, this is not good. I've never had internet issues, to be honest. I mean, even when I'm streaming, I've always had really good internet. It's really weird. Just click an ad. Huh. Yeah, no, I mean, it's terrible right now. The SPY right now is selling off. Getting short here on the SPY, on the MES, sorry. See if we can pull back to the VWAP down to the 400 flat here. Currently short, looking for a move from the 17s down below the 10s here. A little push back up. This is, I don't know if I should be trading right now. This might be a terrible idea. The way this internet, I mean, right now, look at my internet, it just stopped. No lag on the stream. Well, I'm lagging right now. Market trying to push back up here. We're gonna hold this for now and see if we can't continue lower. Big push back up now. This is terrible. This is absolutely terrible right now in terms of my internet. Don't short above the VWAP. You're right. You're right. No, that's might be paying the price here. Honestly, it's just like I don't know what to do because this is not good for me right now. Watching the 30s here is my stop on this. That 403 area on the SPY. It's gonna jump out there. I don't know. Literally, the SPY is going down right now, and the MES on my platform is going up. What the fuck is going on? I've never had this issue before. It's really frustrating. Now the SPY is crashing down, and the MES isn't moving. Are you freaking kidding me right now? Back to my entry. The SPY trying to push back up to the 403s right now, showing some support there, so. This pops above that resistance area. I don't like shorting above the VWAP normally because, you know, I feel like above the VWAP we're bullish, below the VWAP we're bearish. I think it's just an easy rule to stick with. You don't want to be fighting the trend. Don't be fighting the trend, people. We got 60 likes, 138 people watching. We can break through 100 likes like nothing. Let's just one big boner candle of likes here. One big boner candle of likes. Follow the rules. Follow the rules. Market selling off again down to the 414s. Down to the 14s, sorry. The SPY, I would say looking pretty much what do we think here on the SPY on the 15-minute chart? I think we pushed through here. Push up above that 403 level here, I think. Maybe. Looking like it wants to. Get above the 30s on the MES. Big old bull flag right now up there. If we can hold the 401 area, I think we break over 403 here. Yeah, so the go flat just means if you're in a position, it just takes you out, no matter if you're long or short. Looking for a push up here on the MES, currently long. See if we can't break above this resistance up there. From the 22s above the 30s on the ES here. I'm going to hold the 401s on the SPY. Out of the long on that last candle there. See if this will break the downside here. Got the VWAP there at the 400s right now. Looking for a sell down below the 10s on the MES. Inclusive. She doesn't know which way it wants to go here. Just watching to see kind of what happens at this level. We got this 10 level, the 30 level right now, resistance and support. Consolidating here, but still not really getting the data that I want. We get to push over the 30s. I'm going to get long. Should get a nice little pop over the 30s here. We can push over the 402.50 area on the SPY. Looking for a move up here. Pretty much, I think if we hold the 401s on the SPY, we can push higher, obviously, but watching it right here. Get that push up here on the SPY above the 402s. Trying to make a move. We got 78 likes. Let's break through the 100 resistance, baby. Let's break to the upside here. If you haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. There's that sell, sell, sell looking like. Down to the VWAP now. My platform's lagging so bad I was able to short and get in short at the 13s now. Look at that. What in the fuck? Ha! That just worked out in my favor. Somehow. We're currently short right now on the MES from the 13s down to the 4,000s right now. Looking to keep this thing going lower. I'll look to lock in, I'd say 2 down here. We're up $215 right now on this trade. Looking for a break below the 4,000s here. We'll look to keep kind of locking in a little bit of profit as we go. We got 3 contracts left. We're up $360 on the day right now. Gonna hold this short for now at least. See if we can break below the 400 level here on the SPY. Little push back up. Holding the VWAP right now on the SPY. I'll take a little bit more profit there just to lock it in. Just in case this wants to rip back up here. Still got 2 contracts short from the 1375 area on the MES. Looking for a move below the 4,000 here. Get a close below 400 on the SPY. I think it'll be very, very bearish. Down to the 407s again. Watching this candle on the SPY right now. We want to see the sell, 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 baby. Take a little bit more profit right there. I still got 1 contract left. We're locking in from the 13s. We're at the VWAP right now. I don't want this thing to reverse back up. We're up $300 on the day, so we'll hold this 1 contract to see if we can't break below the 4,000s. Have I had any issues from withdrawing? No, guys. IronBeam is like one of the largest FCMs. I mean, they're a major broker. People keep like asking me about IronBeam. Like, is it legit? I'm like, guys. When it comes to futures, I would say IronBeam is, you know, one of the top brokers that are out there. Been around for a long time. So a little bounce back up off of the VWAP here. Locked in that short. We're at 86 likes. Can we break through 100 likes? I think we can do it, boys. I think we can do it. It's possible. If we all just put our hands together. Market continuing to sell through here. right there at the VWAP right now on the SPY. Creating a little bear flag, I would say here. Be a good opportunity to possibly get short here at the 401 area. Oh. Oh, baby. SPY pushing right now. Good thing I covered that short at the VWAP area, like I said. Didn't want this thing to rip back up, and there's the rip back up. I've been trading futures on and off probably last few years, I would say. So the SPY pushing up there to the 402s. We're getting short here. Looking for a break below the 400s again with the 402 stop on the MES. Looking for this thing to sell, 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 baby. Currently short right now, you can see here. Locking in some profit. Trying till I get filled. We're short from the 20s, so still taking 10 handles here. This should sell, sell, sell. Let's see. We're up $532 on the day right now if we locked all this profit in, but I think we're going to go, let me lock this in. We're bouncing back a little bit more than I want to. We got one contract left right now, short. You can see from the 18s, 18 short. And the SPY, I'm going to just take it there. The SPY looking like she wants to reverse again here. Not selling through the VWAP there again on the SPY. Would have liked to have seen this just wash right through there, but the green dots are the standard deviation from the VWAP, so I think they're like -2 deviation. So we're up $482 on the day right now. It's only 4:16 here in Hawaii. Hayden Huey, see you later, my friend. We're at 95 likes, guys. Let's go. Come on. I don't ask for much, but I ask for one thing. Give me your like. Give me your love. Let's go. We got 95 likes. We can blow this baby up above 100. We can do it together. The SPY holding the VWAP right now, so getting out of that short there, like I said. I don't love shorting above the VWAP. Fighting the trend right now. See if we get a push up to the 402s here on the SPY now. Look at that, 102 likes. We did it, people. We did it. We pushed. Ugh. Ugh. Just over here buying NFTs. Oh, man. Just over here buying NFTs, Patrick. Oh. Watching the market right here to see kind of what's going to happen. We're not jumping in just because the market's sitting here. We're going to wait for opportunities, my friends. Waiting for opportunities. What's the green line on the bottom? That's support. I'm using an indicator right now that just basically puts the support and resistance lines on the chart. Trying it out. See how it works. See how she goes. Despite having trouble here at the 402s now. Looking like she wants to go down here. I'd say this wants to push up. What do you guys think? The market wants to push up here. Push to the 403s. Currently long on the MES. Looking for a push up here above the 30s. Long from the 24s. Like to see a push above 30 here. And sell it into this push up. Beautiful move up to the 32s now. Looking to sell some right there. Lock it in. We're up $600 on the day down, baby. You can see currently long from the 24s up to 31 right now. 32s, 33s. She's pushing 403, locking in some more profit there. Still holding a little bit more just to look for this to push up. Locking in over 10 handles. Absolutely beautiful move here. Nice, nice, nice. Nice little push up here on the MES. Got the SPY up at the 403, up to that resistance now. Up to the 40s on the MES here. Locking in. We're up $620 on the day right now, so just sitting back, waiting and watching for the next opportunity here. James Bond thinks we're going to get a bull trap here. Okay, okay. James Bond in the house. I ended up not getting in on Luna last night. I kept watching the chart and it just kept sell, sell, sell. It got down to the $5 area on Luna. I'll pull it up here and it just did not ever find support at that $5 area, so I stayed away from it. I did a little bit more research and wasn't really loving it, but you can see Luna this morning bouncing back already. Like it went all the way down to a low of 52 cents. Wow. That was the bottom, I guess, on Luna. I'll watch for Luna if we you know, continue to do something here. Pretty insane move though. It didn't get down to 50 cents, did it really? Yeah, 56 cents. Luna got down. Look at this thing. Luna's low this morning was 52 cents. 56 cents. And it already popped back up to $4. Wow. What in the world? Rusty Golfer bought some Luna at 80 cents. The MES here pulling back. We got the SPY looking like she's gonna run into that resistance there. Having trouble on the SPY right now. You can see that 403 area of resistance holding it down. So this could be the turn down for what? Market's up almost 1% on the day. Green, 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 baby. Let's see if we're gonna push through this 403 area. Push over this 403 here. Squeeze up. I think 404s. I'll take a short here, I think. What do you think? I think it might be a little aggressive, but I think there's a possible short here. From the 403s back down on the SPY, if we can stay below 403 here. See if they're gonna wash it through here. Sell, 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 baby. Sell, sell, sell. Get below 402 here. Currently short right now from the 33s down to the 25s. Taking a little bit of profit there. Locking it in at the 25s. See if we can get this thing to go a little lower maybe. Bouncing back already. I'm gonna jump out there. Oh, got long. Now I'm out. Now I'm out. Get me out of it. Get me out of it. Pushing back up now. Still just kind of sitting back, waiting. Market chopping around here. We're up $636 on the day right now. Can we push to 1,000? Let's go, baby. Just need one more good trade. One more good trade, baby. That's all we need, literally. One more good trade today. And we'll be above $1,000 on the day. Let's do it. Give me 20 handles on a move, baby. 20 handles. Let's go. I'll make a video on the IronBeam app soon. Market trying to push up here. 3-minute candle showing buyers stepping in there 2 times now on the 402s. Can she pop up, break through that resistance, or do we sell through? I think if we break below 402, we start sell, sell, sell. Looking like we're going to sell through here. Come on. Through the 402s now. Looking sell, sell, sell here. Going to get short for this breakdown on the MES below the 20s now. On that little pop back up here. I would say we sell through here. Currently short right now on the MES. Look for this candle to close below the 20, below the 402 here. Watching the 30s now. Currently short from the 23s, so watching the MES 30s. I'm gonna jump out there. I'm not liking how much that just pushed back up on the VWAP. Not the VWAP on the SPY, so just getting out for break even there. We'll give it some more time, see if it gets denied right here. If we get denied at the 30s, getting short again here. For this to sell through. Just need some push, baby. Push to the downside here. Sell, 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 baby. If you haven't already sold all your stocks, sell all your stocks now. You can see right now on the SPY at that 402 area that we're watching closely here. We stay below 402. I think we can continue to go lower here. Get down to the 400s flat, baby. Give me that 20 handle move. We get that 403 area now almost like 4, 5, 6 times here. Not be able to break through there, so. Will it continue to act as resistance here? Let's see. Looking for a break below the 20s on the MES. I can see this candle on the SPY sell through. I don't want to hold here too long. Consolidate. I'm gonna jump out for a small profit there, just a little tiny profit, just to be. This thing looks like it wants to pop back up now. Come on, give me the sell, baby. Give me the sell. Give me the sell, baby. There we go. There we go. Come on. Break it down. Break it down, girl. Break it to the downside. All right. All right. Here we go. We're going for $1,000 day, baby. Currently short on the MES. Looking for a touchdown of the 4,000s here. Locking in a little bit of profit as we go. Just don't want to get too greedy, but we're up to almost $800 on the day. So let's see where we can go from here. Sell to the 401s. Currently short on the MES, Rafa. If you look at your screen, you can see where I'm currently short at, or you can see where I'm in a short. Damn it, I'm gonna lock that profit in there again. Not liking. We're still above the VWAP. I don't want to be too greedy here. Now we just sit back and wait. There's that pushback up to the 402s again. So kind of chopping around here. Kind of chopping around right now. Oh, pushback up pretty violently there. $402.50 trying to push up here. I think if we push above that 403, man, it's gonna just go nuts. What goes up must come down. Is that a saying? Is that a trading proverb? Looking for a push up here on the SPY, on the MES, push above the 35s. Showing some pretty rapid strength here. Big old candle on the SPY right now. See if we can lock some profit in here as we push up to that resistance again. Up to the 35s. Currently long from the 31s. Looking for 36s. Locking in some profit there. 36s. We pushed above that resistance now, so we should push up to the 40s or higher here. Just kind of lock it in as we go. We're up up $123 on this trade right now. We're up $800 on the day. Can we push through even higher? Can you take me higher? And got one contract left here. Didn't get the best fills, but still got that push up there either way. See if we push back above the 40s here on the MES now. There we go, up to 36s. The 403 area right now on the SPY. A little bit of trouble. I'm gonna take it there, lock it in. So we're up to $765 on the day right now. $765. So you can see right here right now. We're up $765 on the day. Let's go, boys. We're going for a $1,000 day. $1,000 day. We can do it. If you're wondering what platform I'm using the IronBeam app platform for trading right now. There's a link in the chat, a link in the description if you want to check them out. You can sign up today to start trading futures. If you aren't trading futures, I don't know what you're doing. You're doing it all wrong. I mean, I pay 50 cents per contract, so in and out. So you think fee wise with 50 trades, so it's like a $50. It's like $50 in commission right now. So the market having a little bit of trouble right now here on the SPY at this level, this 403.50. I'm just gonna sit back here, wait, be patient, wait for some opportunities here. The next resistance looking like 406 on the SPY. The SPY green on the day right now, up 1% on the day for the SPY. So I bought these NFTs. These are dope heads. I bought these NFTs this morning. They just launched the other day. They've been some volatility, and right now I'm staking them so that I can earn the token. So my dope heads. What's up, my dope heads? Interesting project. We'll see how that turns out. Could you imagine how Patrick get rich? Patrick got rich off of dope heads. Then my dream come true finally, to get rich off of the dope heads. Just sitting back here waiting for a good setup to come through. I think we're still kind of just chopping around here, so not too worried about it. I'm up $765 on the day, so I don't need to do anything crazy right now. I just need to wait for that perfect opportunity. The perfect opportunity, the perfect trade is what I'm looking for. The perfect trade, the perfect opportunity, baby. Let's go. What's the temp and humidity? I think like right now it's like 70 degrees out. I live up in the mountains, so I feel like it's a little bit more toasty. It's a little bit more toasty up here in the mountains than down at the beach. A little bit more toasty. So the market pushing up right now, the SPY up to the 404, so breaking through that 403 resistance. You can see on the SPY right now trying to push up here. We're just giving it a little bit of time, see if we get a pullback. We can retest that area of support that we broke through, or that resistance area. $404.55, James Bond is his target to the upside here. How are those puts doing, James? How are those puts doing? Not to rub salt in your wounds here. You know, it's nothing but love, James. Nothing but love. Love you, brother. We love you. James Bond sticking with his plan that there's going to be a massive rug pull today, and the market's going to crash down to the 395 area. Push it up now, 404 on the SPY, still pushing higher here. The MES up to the 45s now. Looking to see what we get going here. SPY pulling back here, 403 now. Should be a nice little pullback here, I'm thinking. Off this 403 area should give us a bounce back up. Let's see. James Bond with the call out with the reversal here. Let's see, does it go lower? Push down to the 402s. Looking for a sell here. Currently short on the MES. Looking to lock in some profit here for a quick scalp on this to the downside. We can go lower. Let's see if we can go lower first. I'm gonna take a profit there. I'm up $800 on the day now. $800 on the day. Let's see if we can keep this momentum going, baby. Keep the momentum alive. How does the heat in Hawaii compare to the heat in Florida? I don't know. I'd say it's probably a little, a little nicer in Hawaii. Not as humid. You get more of the sea breeze in Hawaii. In the Pacific Ocean's pretty hot, pretty warm. Oh wait, pretty cold, sorry. So the wind coming off the ocean's cooler. Obviously. There's that sell down to the 30s now on the MES. Continuing to go lower here. If we break below the 30s, this could be a pretty good short opportunity. Watching the SPY to get a close here below 402. How much did you put into the trades? I was trading like 3 to 5 contracts today, so each contract cost $50 to trade. It's $50 per MES contract you need to trade in margin in your account, if that makes sense. Market still selling through here, down to the 23s now. The 401s getting touched here. Ooh, baby. Should have kept that short open. Should have kept the short open. This will be a key area if he can hold that 20s. He's got to hold that 20s on the MES here. We'll see if it's going to happen. He's got to hold that 20s on the MES to bounce. If the bulls want this to go higher, they got to hold this level, that 402 on the SPY. See if she happens, if she happens. Looking at the SPY right now, just sell, sell, sell. So looking for any type of bounce back up here to get short. Don't just want to be FOMOing in. We're going to give it a little bit of time to retest. Give me a retest of that 402 area. Continuing to sell. There's a VWAP at the 401s now coming up. Man, 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 man. She's going lower here. Should get a little pop back up here to get short. See if we get pushed back up to 20s on the MES. James, how are your puts? Now they're doing. He's doing better now, he said. So get this little push back up. I'd like to see it push up back to the 20s on the MES to get short here. Now we're looking for a breakdown of the 4,000. Let's break through $1,000 today, baby. We can do it together forever and ever. We can go to the moon together forever and ever. Market a little pushback up here like we were hoping for. Now we want them to get that breakdown below the 15s on the MES. Break below the VWAP and then it's off to the races, my friends. Just sell, 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 sell down to the 95s. Let's go. Little pushback up to the 402s like expected here. Bouncing there off the VWAP right now. Setting up for a bear flag here on the SPY. Stay below the 402s here. We can continue to sell down. Sorry, I'm currently staking my NFTs right now. Busy man. Currently short on the MES from the 20s right now, looking for down to the 10s. Get through the 15s here. I think we can do it. Oh yeah, baby. Come on. Through the 15s here, down to the 14s. We're up $1,000 on the day. Daddy likey, daddy likey. Currently short on the MES. You can see from the 2075 level. Looking for this to go a little bit lower, but taking a little bit of profit as we go. Don't want to be too greedy. We're still above the VWAP here on the SPY. We're up $1,000. I'm going to lock in them. We got 2 contracts left here. There's my $1,000 target on the day. $1,000. Doing it all live right here on YouTube with you guys. So my fees, $70 in commissions. So he's thinking maybe $100 in commissions and fees. Maybe a little less. Yeah, I'd say a little bit less. Right now, bouncing off the VWAP on the SPY. A little bit of support there at this level. So I'm gonna go ahead. Let's go ahead and lock it in here. I'm gonna lock it in here. Lock in my $1,000 in profit. No, round trip is not $3, guys. I need everything that everybody knows about futures. I need you to stop thinking about the way you're thinking about it. It cost me 50 cents per trade. So basically $1 in and out. Round trip. $1 round trip. So if I made 73 trades today or 73 sells, it's $140. So you times 50 cents, you're saying 70. Basically, the way I look at it is that's why I leave this. So you can see my sells. So that pretty much my commission is $73. That makes sense. All right. So I got all my little dope heads over here. They're all staked. I'm earning pills right now. Some crazy shit going on. I don't know what's going on, but let's see how it goes. Dope heads. I'm crazy like that. There's that bounce back, like I said, off of the VWAP there. Sounds shady. What's shady about what? Guys, I don't know why everybody like that. This is not rocket science. I didn't make 70 trades, right? Every single time I buy a contract, I sell a contract. That's one, that's one trade basically. All right. So if I if I buy 5 contracts and I sell 5 contracts, that would be, you know, a total of 10 trades. That would be 10 transactions. Really simple. It's not shady. I don't know why that's, why is that so like confused? You have to guess what your commissions are? What are you talking about? I'm not guessing about anything. At the end of the day, I'm gonna know what my commissions are. Right now, I made 73 sells. My commission, I pay 50 cents per contract that I trade, right? So that's 73. You think I bought and sold 146 times. You times that by 50 cents. That's my commission. But with all the guys, the fee, I don't know why everybody's like being so negative right now. The fees are a joke. I made $1,000 a day. The fees, the exchange fees are nothing. Come on. It's not a secret. There's nothing shady about it. I don't like, why is that even like a discussion right now? It's, if I pay 50 cents per contract, I agree. I agree with James Bond right now. Why are we even discussing this right now? I'm using the IronBeam app. Listen, if you're making $1,000 a day, you're not worried about the fees. I mean, come on. The last thing that I'm gonna be worried about at the end of the day today is like, damn it, I paid $80 in fees and I made $1,000. Damn it, I'm done trading. I'm over trading. People are it's always so funny when I see people like talking about like trading and fees and stuff. They're like so worried about the fees. I'm like, if you're here to make money, you got to spend money to make money, you know? The last thing you should be worried about is the fees. Obviously, if you're paying like a shit ton in fees, yeah, but like, let's not worry about the fees. Let's worry about making more money. I'm giving back all my profit. I don't want it anymore. I don't want to trade anymore. It's too much, too expensive. Down to the 408s now. 400s on the MES. I'm kind of thinking that I might be done for the day. I hit my $1,000 target. Said this morning I was looking for $1,000 a day, baby. But we are below the VWAP here on the SPY finally. We're below the VWAP here, so this could really start to sell. Maybe a little pushback up here. Might get shoot. Little pushback up here. Should continue to sell through here, so let's keep this party going. Break on down to the other side. Like I see a move down to the 400s on the SPY here. Let's lose that VWAP. Let's just lose it. Let's just lose it, people. Lose the VWAP. Lose the SPY. Pushing up here a little bit, little relief bounce after that sell, but still looking bearish. You can see the EMA cloud starting to turn red here on the SPY right now. I think it's a pretty good area to get short here on the MES. Should continue lower from here. Stay below the 402s. Let's go. Let's go. Let's sell to the 400s, baby. 400s on the SPY. Let's do it. Let's touch down here, 400 area. Break through the VWAP again here. Washubi's trading in his bed. That's a mental picture to think about. He's watching the live stream from his bed right now. Looking for a touchdown of the 400s here. Short on the MES. We're rocking. We are rolling, baby. Can we get it? Currently short here from the 12s. I can see a touchdown of the 400s flat. If it holds right here, I might just end up jumping out. I need a breakthrough like right now on the SPY. I'm gonna jump out there, lock it in. Up $1,000, $1,100, $1,141 now. So I'm totally fine with that. I think I'm gonna go ahead. What is it? It's only 5 o'clock. It's only 5 o'clock here in Hawaii. 5 a.m. baby. Let's go. We break below this 400 level. I think we can really start to sell. Watching the SPY here. I can see maybe a pushback up the 402s. Got my mojo, baby. Let's go. Is there a video where I explain my strategy? I think so. I still got CD. I have one CD. I have one Yamaha. I'm currently not in. I'm currently flat. Aquarius is always very worried about what I'm doing here. I would really, honestly, guys, like, I'll be honest with you, like, I really don't want people following me into trades. I know that sounds bad, but, you know, I know people are here to get rich, but I really just don't want people follow, because, you know, like, me getting in and out, I can get in and out a lot quicker. You know, the stream is delayed. Like, trying to follow me into trades is not a good idea. I think, you know, overall, you get an idea kind of what we think the market's going to go, but trying to, like, literally buy and sell when I buy and sell is not a good idea. Please don't try. Don't do it. You're going to end up just, you know, it's not going to be hard. It's not going to be good, I mean, trying to do that. The whole idea of the stream is just kind of, you know, let's talk about what we think where the market's going to go, get an idea, you know, see the support, resistance, the trends, things like that. But trying to buy and sell when I buy and sell is not a good plan. I would highly suggest not trying it. Don't do it. Looking for this breakdown. Can we get below the 450 here on the SPY? Currently short on the MES. See if we can break through here from the 14s. Looking like a big old bear flag. We want to go lower here on the SPY. Break below the 10s. We got the VWAP right there though, so be a little cautious. Still might get that push to the 402. I agree with you, James. The 402 is looking like it wants to get touched here. Let's see. Squeezing back up here, giving us an opportunity to get short. Nice little push up to the 20s there for a short opportunity on the MES here. Still kind of just chopping around. We got right there the VWAP on the SPY. Kind of the $1,000,000 question right now. Where do we go from here? I think I know where I'm about to go. I'm about to go back to bed. Stay live for a little bit longer, but I think I'm probably going to end up going back to bed here. Market kind of just chopping around right now. I don't want to give back any profit. No profit given back, baby. I'm still living in Hawaii. I'm still living in Hawaii on the north shore of Oahu. Sunny, beautiful Hawaii. What the hell did I just do? SPY pushing up to that 401.50 area. Why not trade the real ES, not the micro? Trading the micros right now because there's lots of volatility in the market. I think, you know, at the end of the day, I don't know, less risk, you know, a little easier mentally. Like I said before, like I don't need to make, you know, obviously like I you know, I would like to make a lot of money, but I also like, for me, I don't, you know, I don't need to make 1,000 gajillion dollars every day. You know, small gains, just consistency, baby. I just need consistency. And I've just been way more consistent, you know, with the MES right now. I think one day, obviously, I'll, you know, start trading the actual not the micros, the minis, but I don't know. I think you got to just kind of figure out what works for you. And right now, I think the micros are working best for me. It's all personal preference, I guess, really, at the end of the day. Do I miss Florida? Definitely not. I do not miss Florida. Nah, Florida, I wouldn't say Florida blows. There's definitely good spots in Florida. I'll probably end up living back in Florida at some point. I don't think I'll live in Hawaii forever, to be honest. There's a big old dump right there. Wow. Big old dump on the SPY now. Got a reverse boner candle. Reverse boner candle from the 401. Like I said, that 40, look at that. Wow, that really said that 40, that those 20 was a good area to get short. Well, there you go. There's your call of the day right there. Go ahead and rewind the tape, my friends. Rewind the tape. Ding, 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 ding. That wasn't James' flush. That was my flush. Don't give James any credit. Only I get the credit. It's my live stream. My live stream. Nobody else can have credit around here. Bottom was right. I was right. Why can't I be right? I literally said 2 minutes ago that this would be a good area to short. I literally said that. I said that. Did nobody else hear me? Now what? James Bond gets all the credit? This is bullshit. I'm quitting the live stream. Yeah. Yeah, I was right. Screw James Bond. I'm gonna ban James Bond from the chat. I'm over his ban Bond. That's gonna be a new saying. Ban Bond. Ban Bond. Gotta ban the Bond. Should you be buying calls here? I don't think I'd be buying calls at this level. Just as a personal, you know, like personally, I wouldn't be buying calls here, but you know, what do I know? We get a little pushback up here, maybe to the 450 level on the SPY right now. Maybe take a little short on the MES. If we push back up here, push up to the VWAP, get denied at the 401s, maybe for a short opportunity. What do you think? I think it's a pretty solid plan. Watching here to see if we get denied at the view op again. Pushing up. We get one more little push up here and one more little push. The 401's flat. Let's see. All right, all right. So getting denied right now there at the VWAP. Let's stay below 401. Continue to sell, sell, sell. Got this resistance up here at the 401.75 area, that 402 level. Does IronBeam charge daily, weekly, monthly for the fees? It should be every day. They'll like settle your trades for the day. Once that gets done, then your commissions, everything get taken out. See if we can close below the VWAP here. It'd be very bearish. Got 45 seconds left here on this 3-minute candle. 15-minute chart, little pushback up here. Still seeing where this candle closes at. Oh, might be pushing up here. Might be pushing up here. I'm gonna retest this level here. Let's see. Watching the 10s on the MES now. If we break back below the 10s here, you can see kind of watching this level here. If we break back down, I think we can touch down to that 4,000 again. Flat. Just kind of sitting back, being patient, waiting and watching. We need this trend to break. Need the trend to break here. For another short opportunity. Looking like it might be breaking here. Let's see. Touched the 10s, but didn't break through. So ripping back up here. You can see touching down there to the 4,010 area. The low in that candle was 11, so still watching for that break below the 10s. We bounced off that 399 level earlier on the SPY, so let's see what happens here. You can see that 4,000 level holding a support right now on the MES as well. So this could push it back up to the 402s. We're trending higher right now. We push over that 20s here. We're gonna see where this candle closes at. Get the doji. The doji, baby. Get the doji on the SPY here. I think come on. Sell. Break below the 10s here on the MES. Let's do it. JK. Little bounce there off the VWAP again. That pesky VWAP right now. The pesky VWAP. Woody Holbrook. Woody, if you talk to IronBeam, reach out to them. They'll answer all your questions. I would say that's your best option than trying to get answers here in the chat. No offense. Just trying to get you make sure you get the right information, my friend. Let's see if we're gonna break down here. Get back below the 450 area here on the SPY. Holding up there on the VWAP right now on the SPY. Freaking the wind, man, in my house sometimes. So the market looking like it wants to push back up here, holding that area on the VWAP now. So we push above the high on those candles. Let's say the 22s on the MES. Maybe push back up here. Try to retest the 403 level pretty quickly, I think. Somebody bought what? 440,000 of SPY at 400. Oh gosh. Getting a little, let's see, a little push over 402s here. The SPY, it's 70.7% on the day right now. Looking for a push up here, up to the sometimes, man, it's early, guys. It's 5:30 here in Hawaii right now. Pardon my slurs sometimes. Looking for a push up here on the MES right now, up above the 30s. I think it's possible. Let's see if we're gonna get it here. Looking for this push up above the 30s. On the MES right now. kind of watching this level on the SPY here. If we could push up. Another, put another $100 on the board here. We're up 60.50. Come on. Let's sell a little bit here. Kind of slow it down, but looking like we still could push a little bit more. Oh, I sold all of them there. That's great. One thing I will say, if you're trading on the IronBeam app, make sure when you're trading, you got to make sure your quantity is right. Sometimes I do that where I change the quantity and then I go to sell and I end up selling the whole position. Market getting really tight right here. The bulls, the bears battling it out. The SPY trying to bottom out here at the VWAP right now, trying to push that higher. Woof. All right. So it's currently 5:30 a.m. here in Hawaii, and I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and go take a nap, lock in my $1,000 in profit here today, and walk away. Go walk away, baby. There's no point in me leaving it open. I mean, if you guys want me to leave the stream open, if I'm not here, I'll do that, but I don't. Do you really want me to? Anybody other than James? Anybody? I feel like James is the only person that wants me to leave it open because he just wants to sit here and talk about his calls or his puts or vice versa. I don't know. I'm definitely walking away though. All right, I'll leave it open. I'll leave it open for now. I'm gonna go take a nap. 5:30 here in Hawaii. It's time for bedtime. SPY pushing up here to the 30s now, like I thought it would. If you guys haven't already hit that subscribe button, you know what to do. We'll be live tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's see, up above the 30s here. Oh, baby. Can she push above the 30s? Wanting it. She's wanting it. She's wanting it to do it. She's wanting to do it. All right. So I'm gonna, take a nap. Sounds funny, but like I said, I live in Hawaii. It's 5:30 in the morning. It's not really a nap. It's kind of like going back to bed. I'm a growing boy. I need my sleep sometimes, boys. All right. So I'll leave this up for you guys on the chart here on the SPY. You can see what's going on. Oh gosh. Keelan. We got another told you so. Maybe you told me so. Maybe you didn't. Who knows? Who knows? $402.50 deviation from the VWAP there. Got a little doji candle there on that 5-minute candle. Let's see what happens. All right. I'm out of here. Let me close this out. You're right. You're right. I walked away. Again, we did not mint. 2680. We minted 500 for marketing gaming rewards. So that was not paid by anyone. So roughly, I minted over 100. So roughly, that's 2,000 at 0.33. But we never got. We never had 660. We never had that. Look at how many. Look at all the royalty money. Also, again, you have no clue what you're talking about. Since we partnered with Nova Launch as our devs, they took 25%. 25% of each mint. the Discord? Are you a holder? Or just a fucking troll? What in the world's going on here? The market's selling off. It couldn't even stay green for 1 day, baby. What? What is it? Look at it. Down to the 396 now. Oh my baby Jesus. What y'all been doing? What went wrong? Because I was gone. What'd you guys do? You really screwed up, didn't you? Everybody really screwed up. You didn't buy the dip. Market down to the 396 level now, huh? Okay. I'm just back for a second. I've got to log out of this because I can't keep streaming. I got to restart my computer. My internet is like, it's just, I can't do anything right now. Something is wrong. I've got to restart I'm going to restart my computer. I'm going to restart my internet. But yeah, look at that. Market from the 404s down to 396. Ouch. There's support there at the 396 level right now on the SPY, so we'll see if that area is going to bounce back up. You got the VWAP all the way up at the 450 area, 450 cents. So should be some type of bounce back up here, right? I think in theory, in general, maybe. So I've got to sign out. I'm going to restart my computer and stuff. I'll be live tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. If you guys haven't already hit that subscribe button, you know what to do. Again, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. All that fun stuff. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Thursday morning, James Bond. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Let's go.